Okay, the question, what is a denomination, is a question that only makes sense to certain parts of the Christian church. The Catholics and the Orthodox don't think there is such a thing as denominations. So I'll look at the Catholic and Orthodox idea and then move to the more Protestant and evangelical idea of denominations. To creedal Christianity, which is based on the Nicene Creed, there is one holy Catholic and Apostolic Church. So there are no churches, there are no different communions, there is only one communion. Now the problem is, historically, we have all sorts of fractures of communion between different Christians, and this does not sit well with the teachings of the church, what the church is within Catholic and Orthodox circles. To the Roman Catholics, the Vatican is the central teaching authority, and the Pope is the final sort of central authority figure for the whole church, the Catholic meaning universal church. So there's a lot of variety of different sorts of Catholics, different orders, but there is one central teaching authority. To the Orthodox, holding to the creed is fundamental. So the way the Western Church, the Roman Catholic Church, firstly, changed the creed to put in the Filioque clause, makes them not Orthodox, and so they're out of full communion with the true church. So Catholics think of Protestants as out of full communion with the true church, and so there's only one church, and the one church is not just a spiritual entity, it's a physical, historical entity. So you can't just sort of have your own sort of idea of what church is and not be connected to a living apostolic community. In the Protestant tradition, particularly the separatist, nonconformist, and evangelical types of Protestants, the big thing is personal freedom of choice. And so there's just a 1,000 different flavors of evangelical Protestant Christian. And so the denomination means, the nominus means name. So they're just different names. So there's this, everyone's a pope in their own lunchbox in Protestant evangelical circles. And so the idea that my reading of the scripture and me alone with God define what it means to be a Christian produces this enormous fracturing of the Protestant evangelical ecclesial community, which you don't have in the same way in something like the Catholic Church. We've got diversity, but you have a centralized authority that is institutional and bigger than individuals. So the idea of denominations is very much a part of the free enterprise, individualistic, religious freedom, modernity outlook on the world. And it's a very minority view as far as the whole Christian church is concerned. Denominations are a view of the church which presupposes an invisible church, where there is one universal church, but it's invisible. The other traditions, like the Catholic and the Orthodox traditions, say that the church is actually a visible historical body, and you can't separate this idea of a spiritual church out from the actual physical church of real people and real historically embedded apostolic succession sort of idea.